Hey guys, DPG, fresh for the gym, so a little winded, but this hit me hard. I saw an email from somebody that I've modeled some of my work after, and the title of his email was how to get 4 times more clients or something like that. You know, one of those typical internet marketing sort of hypey things. And I thought, man, I think I can make a video for actors out of this. And so my video is how to get 4 times more auditions. Okay, now I have no idea what his methodology is. My methodology is very simple. If you want to get 4 times more auditions, then apply or submit yourself for 4 times fewer auditions, but work 4 times harder to get those auditions. Now, I could leave it at that, and I should be able to leave it at that, because you have an imagination. If you actually just trust it, it will tell you what to do, because you'll just discover, you'll dig and figure out, you'll find a way. But because many of you have been sort of programmed to be told what to do, school and all that good stuff, parents, etc., I'm going to give you some hints. So what you want to do is, by hook or by crook, by any means necessary, you need to get a hold of the decision makers, or frankly anybody else involved in the production, and let them know why you're such a great choice, or let them know why you're a big fan of the project, why you want to work on it, why it means something to you. Maybe you're a fan of their work in the past, or just from the sounds of what they're doing now. It doesn't really matter exactly what you do or say, but try to make it all about them. How are you going to help them? Whether it's working on their project or being friends with them, having some form of professional relationship with them, because that will attract people to you, and it will almost guarantee that they will see you. Like if I develop a relationship with you, I'm like, you know, hey Jarshika, hey Tony, you know, hey Brooklyn, let's be friends, let's talk a little bit. It looks like we both, you know, play ping pong or like to take long walks on the beach at sunset, or whatever the case may be. You'd be like, oh yeah, I really like that. And or I really like the picture I just saw of yours on Instagram. You know, your graduation photos were super cool. Oh, thank you. That's really cool of you. And then, you know, after a couple of chit chats back and forth, you can say, listen, I saw your project, and honestly, I think I'm a great fit for one of the roles. And, you know, whatever the case may be, I would love to work with you on it. You know, I can help you with craft services or lighting, sound, wherever, you know, you need help. I'm that kind of a person. And do you think there's much chance that they would say no to somebody like that compared to someone who does the least possible and is like, oh, I hope they pick me. I hope they pick me over and over and over again. And then you kind of get a chip on your shoulder, or you feel really insecure because you're not getting picked and you don't know why. Okay, guys, so that's my secret to getting 4 times as many auditions. Try to get 4 times fewer auditions, but try 4 times harder for each audition that you submit yourself for. And I guarantee you will book, you will get the auditions, and you will also book more, because the same reason they will want to audition you, they will also want to work with you. And so your chances of booking also will go up by 4 times. Okay, so 4 times as many auditions times 4 times as many bookings is 16 times better than being passive and just trying to max out on the volume. Let me know what you think, guys. Click the bell for notifications, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and reach out. If you want to work together, I have various programs. I also work with people individually who are, you know, the most serious about accelerating their career prospects. So I look forward to hearing from you. I will talk to you soon. By the way, the email is david@hackhollywood.com. Bye for now.